Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Indigo Credit Card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're working with a heavily bruised credit score here, or even navigating the aftermath of a past bankruptcy, finding an unsecured card that does not demand a giant cash deposit can feel like an uphill battle. Now, that is exactly where the Indigo Mastercard steps up as a genuine, helpful, and accessible tool. Now, the biggest win right off the bat here is that it is a fully unsecured card, meaning you get to keep your hard-earned cash in your pocket rather than tying up hundreds of dollars in a mandatory upfront security deposit just to establish a basic line of credit. Now, to make things even better, they feature a totally stress-free pre-qualification process that uses a harmless soft credit check. Now, this means you can see your real approval odds online in less than a minute without making your credit score take an initial hit. Now, once you do get your foot in the door here, Indigo serves a fantastic, reliable vehicle for rebuilding your financial profile. Because it is a traditional MasterCard, it is accepted globally at millions of locations, giving you ultimately day-to-day convenience. Now, the real magic here happens behind the scenes though. Now, they report your account history to all three major credit bureaus here, Experian, Equifax, and even TransUnion, you are actively stacking up a flawless record of on-time payments, which gives your credit score a highly reliable boost. So you also get some great built-in safety nets at no extra cost here, like MasterCard ID, theft protection, and zero liability policy that completely covers you against the unauthorized or fraudulent charges. Now, just to give you some heads up though. Now, this is included in the fine print. Now, the card does use a tiered fee structure based on your current credit worthiness. Now, depending on the specific offer you get, your annual fee could range from $0 to stronger profiles up to $75 or $99. If your credit is in the deeply subprime territory here, it also features a high variable interest rate in the mid 30% range, and typically starts you out with a modest credit limit around like $300 to $700. However, you can easily outsmart these drawbacks here by simply treating the card like a debit card. Keep your spending low, never carry a balance, and pay it down to zero every single month to completely bypass the interest rate here. Now, ultimately, if you have been repeatedly turned down by mainstream banks and want a zero deposit path to prove your financial responsibility here, the Indigo card is absolutely worth using as a short-term stepping stone. They provide a straightforward, highly accessible way to breathe new life into your credit file. But once your score climbs back up into the fair to good range after a year of consistent on-time payments, you should definitely plan to graduate to a premium fee-free card from issuers like Capital One or Discover to keep your credit building journey moving forward seamlessly. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.